Assignment on nested list. Hi, in this video, let us do 2 assignments on nested list. Are you ready? First assignment is create a string list with 3 rows, 4 columns and print it. Let me show you an example of nested list I have created with colors, fruits and flowers as 3 lists inside our nested list. Now, to print the nested list, write print, open bracket, string nested list and close the bracket. The string nested list will be printed as output. You can create your own string nested list with 3 rows and 4 columns. You can put any items in the list. Now, can you print the string nested list that you created? Try it. Second assignment is, can you create a nested list called numbers with the same items shown here? Now, can you write a print statement to get the item 67 from this nested list using the row and column index numbers? To do it, we have to find the row index number first. The item 67 is in our second row and the index number of the second row would be 1. Next, to get the item from the second row, we have to find the column index number. So, 67 is the first item in the second row. So, to get the first item, the index number would be 0. So, we would write print, open bracket, numbers, open the square bracket, write 1, close the square bracket and open the square bracket again, write 0, close the square bracket and close the round bracket. The output would be printed as 67. Try both the assignments and submit them. We are waiting to see all your assignments. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.